Actually, I have so many hobbies: singing, cheating, and drawing. But lately, I have a new hobby: reading and writing Sundanese script. Last time, there was a Pasanggiri competition in my school. I followed one of the competition. There was Maca Nulis Aksara Sunda, or reading and writing Sundanese script. I felt excited to study about it because there was a challenge for me to learn Sundanese script. I was studying with Mrs. Waljana. She taught me about Sundanese script and how to read it. Well, even it's so hard, but most of that I have a new experience. And I hope someday this culture will be continuing the next generation. Letter A looks like number 3. Letter E looks like a box. Letter O looks like letter D. Letter A looks like the hidayah of Ya. Letter O looks like a boat crash of life. Letter A looks like letter A. Ah. But there's an error.